Hello my dear crafty friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful and very gorgeous Friendship Day greeting card with these lovely handmade flowers come gift box. So this is a slider card. Inside this I have written sentiment. Happiness is time spent with a friend. And in the bottom I have secret box in which you can add any gift to your friend. Isn't it a great idea? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. For this we need some inks, embossing pad, groove gold tool, ball tool, some sponge dauber, some flower punches, leaf cutouts, scissor, liquid glue, ball tool, some pattern papers, red and black color thick sheets and ruler. First I am taking this black sheet which measures 15.5 by 15.5 centimeters, and from the left side I am creasing on 3 centimeters and 12.5 centimeters. This sheet is having 300 GSM thickness. Similarly, rotate the sheet and crease on 3 and 12.5 centimeters. Now fold all the creases. Then I am cutting from 4 sides like this. Fold these cut flaps. Add glue and create your box. So the box is ready. Now we will create the slider part. For this I am taking the sheet which measures 29 by 10 centimeters, and from left side I am creasing at 10 centimeters, 13.5 centimeters, 23.5 centimeters and 27 centimeters. Fold all the creases. And just add little glue on this last flap and connect with the first flap. So the slider portion is also ready. You can just put your box inside this. Now I am decorating my box using some pattern papers. like this. In the same way, I have decorated my slider part from two sides and from bottom. I kept top to add the card as it is. So this is done. Since my sliding mechanism is little loose, so the box can easily fall. So to prevent this, I am just adding one piece of cardboard inside my slider part from both the sides, like left and right sides. So this is a small tip. If you have a loose slider mechanism, you can just add some layers of cardboard or thick sheets to make it little tight. So now my box is fitting perfectly and it is not falling down. So this is a cute small tip. Now I'm taking this red sheet which measures 9.5 by 9.5 centimeters, and I am marking on 1 centimeters from all four sides and creating a line. Again I am taking 300 GSM red sheet. Now from this creased line, I am marking on 7 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters and create a line. Then we need to cut these two sides till this point using paper cutter. So this is done. Also I am cutting this bottom line. Now I will crease these two pencil markings. So the slider part will look like this. Now I'm creasing this upper line also, so that the slider part will work very smoothly. Like this. Now I am taking one white color sheet which measures 8.5 by 9 centimeters, and I am connecting this from back side. So we just need to add glue on this small folded part and connect your white sheet. Like this. Now I am taking this base sheet which measures 10 by 10 centimeters, and I will connect my slider card on top of this. So we just need to add glue on this red portion from left and right side and connect with the base. So this is done. Now I'm taking this 7.5 by 8 centimeter pattern paper sheet and I will connect it in the front. I'm deciding whether to take floral part on top or on bottom. So I think the bottom will look more better. So just added glue on this folded part and your basic card is ready. Now I'm taking my corner punch and chopping the corners of this pattern paper. Open your white sheet, curving the corners of the sheet also, and then I will add the pattern paper on this. Now the card is ready. Then I am connecting my card on my box base. So just add glue and connect like this. So the basic part is ready. Now we'll decorate it. To decorate it, I am making some paper flowers. So using this large flower punch, I am punching 120 GSM white sheet. In the same way, I have punched the small flower using this 5-petal punch. Now I am taking my archival inks, pink peony and plum, using a plastic bag in the bottom. First I am adding pink peony and then I am coloring only from edge using plum shade. Similarly, I am coloring the small flower using chrome yellow. You can use any kind of colors which you have. Try to use waterproof colors. Just sprinkled some water and soaked using tissue paper. Now from back side I will create some texture. Before that I am cutting each petal towards the center a little bit so that we can easily shape it. And for the shaping I am using small size groove golf tool. So just shape all 3 flowers. Now rotate these flowers and using ball tool pinch in the center. So flower is ready. Now just add little glue in the center of these pink flowers and I am adding small micro bead pearls. These are white color pearls. In the same way I have created some more pink and some yellow flowers. Now take back your box card. First I am adding these 2 butterflies on this pull tab so that we can easily pull our slider card. And then I will decorate the front using this border design and then I will add my flowers. I am adding some bunch of jute thread just to give little shabby look. Here I am adding the sentiment Happy Friendship Day. Then I am adding some leaf cutouts here and there. Like this. Inside the card also I have stamped happiness is time spent with a friend. You can handwrite any message and added these white scrolls just to give little extra look. Now to pull our drawer easily, I am adding this pearl. To adhere this pearl I am using silicone glue. You can use any kind of strong adhesive. Just stick it like this and allow it to dry completely. Like this. So the beautiful box card is ready. I am putting the shrink pink keychain inside this to gift to my friend. You can add chocolates, small gifts, friendship band or any jewelry, anything which you want to gift to your best friends. So the beautiful slider friendship day greeting card come gift box is ready. Isn't it a great idea? So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.